Hello guys, how are you? Today I will talk about Toronto Raptors official complete lineup 2025 to 26. Here is our head coach Darko Raja coach. If you like then subscribe. Dash 19 position center Jacob Portal draft 2016 round 1 pick 9. Experience 9 years as a pro. He played 57 games in regular season. Field ground performance for 62.7%. Point per game 14.5, rebounds per game 9.6, assists per game 2.8. Country Australia, age 29, status injury, height 7.0. Hash 92, position forward. Oyuji Amure, draft 2025, experience 3 years. He played 53 games in regular season, field ground performance 48.5%, point per game 4.8, rebounds per game 2.0, assist per game 0.8. Country USA, age 28 years, height 6.7, status injury. Hash 3, position forward. Brandon Ingram, draft 2016, round 1 pick 2, experience 8 years as a pro. He played 18 games in regular season, field ground performance 46.5%, point per game 22.2, rebounds per game 5.6, assists per game 5.2, status injured, height 6.8, weight 190 pound, age 28 years, country USA. Guys, have you suggest for lineup? Please tell me in comment box. 1 position guard forward Grady Deck, draft 2023, round 1 pick 13, experience 2 years as a pro. He played 54 games in regular season, field ground performance 41.0%, point per game 14.4, rebounds per game 3.6, assist per game 1.8, country USA, status injured, age 21 year, height 6.6 inch, weight 200 pounds. Hash 25, position forward Chris Boucher, draft undraft, experience 8 years as a pro. He played 50 games in regular season, field ground performance 49.2%, point per game 10.0, rebounds per game 4.5, assist per game 0.7. Country St. Lucia, status injured, age 32 years, height 7.0, weight 200 pounds. Guys, if you like then subscribe my channel for more. Hash 9, position forward guard RJ Barrett, draft 2019, round 1 pick 3, experience 6 years as a pro. He played 58 games in regular season, field ground performance 46.8%, point per game 21.1, rebounds per game 3.6, assists per game 5.4. Country Canada, age 26 years, height 6.6, weight 240 pound. Guys, if you like then subscribe my channel. Hash 77, position forward Jameson Battle, draft undraft, experience 1 year as a pro. He played 69 games in regular season, field ground performance 42.9%, point per game 7.1, rebounds per game 2.7, assist per game 0.9. Country USA, age 24 years, height 6.7 inch, weight 220 pound. Guys, have you suggest for lineup? Please tell me in comments box. Hash 22, position center Rich Chumche, draft 2024, round 2 pick 57, experience 1 year as a pro. He played 7 games in regular season, field ground performance 40.0%, point per game 0.7, rebounds per game 1.1, assist per game 0.3. Country Cameroon, age 19 year, height 6.11, weight 230 pound. Guys, if you like my video then subscribe my channel for more updates. Hash 30, position guard Oche Ajeviji, draft 2022, round 1 pick 14, experience 3 years as a pro. He played 64 games in regular season, field ground performance 49.8%, point per game 10.4, rebounds per game 3.8, assists per game 1.5. Country USA, age 25, height 6.5, weight 250 pound, age 25. Guys, like and subscribe. Hash 4, position forward guard Scotty Barnes, draft 2021, round 1 pick 4, experience 4 years as a pro. He played 65 games in regular season, field ground performance 44.6%, point per game 19.3, rebounds per game 7.7, assists per game 5.8. Country USA, age 24 years, height 6.7, weight 237. Position guard Choki Hepburn. Draft 2025. Experienced rookie. He played 0 game in regular season. Field ground performance 0.0. Point per game 0.0. Rebounds per game 0.0. Assists per game 0.0. Country USA. Age 22 years. Height 6.2 inch. Weight 190 pounds. 0. Position guard AJ Larson. Draft 2025. Experience 3 years. He played 80 games in regular season. Field ground performance 41.0%. Point per game 9.1. Rebounds per game 3.3. Assist per game 1.2. Country Canada. Status injured. Height 6.6. Weight 189 pound. Age 24 year. Guys, like and subscribe. Hash 54. Position forward center Sandro Mamukilashvili. Draft 2021. Round 2 pick 54. Experience 4 years as a pro. He played 61 games in regular season. Field ground performance 50.2%. Point per game 6.3. Rebounds per game 3.1. Assists per game 0.8. Country Georgia. Age 29 years. Height 6.9 inch. Weight 200. Hash 55. Position guard Alijan Martin. Draft 2025. Round 2 pick 99. Experienced rookie. He played 0 game in regular season. Field ground performance 0.0. Point per game 0.0. Rebounds per game 0.0. Assist per game 0.0. Country USA. Age 23 years. Height 6.2 inch. Weight 230 pounds. Hash 2. Position forward Jonathan Mogebo. Draft 2024. Round 2 pick 31. Experience 1 year as a pro. He played 33 games in regular season. Field ground performance 43.8%. Point per game 6.2. Rebounds per game 4.9. Assists per game 2.3. Country USA. Age 23 years. Height 6.9 inch. Weight 225 pounds. Guys, if you like, then subscribe. Hash 12. Position forward Colin Murray Boilers. Draft 2025. Round 1 pick 9. Experienced rookie. He played 0 game in regular season. Field ground performance 0.0. Point per game 0.0. Rebounds per game 0.0. Assist per game 0.0. Country USA. Age 20 years. Height 6.7 inch. Weight 220 pounds. Guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Hash 23. Position guard Jamal Shead. Draft 2024. Round 2 pick 45. Experience 1 year as a pro. He played 77 games in a regular season. Field ground performance 14.5. Point per game 7.1. Rebounds per game 1.5. Assists per game 4.2. Country USA. Age 23 years. Height 6.1 inch. Guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Hash 5. Position guard Immune Quickly. Draft 2020. Round 1 pick 25. Experience 5 years as a pro. He played 33 games in regular season. Field ground performance 42.1%. Point per game 17.1. Rebounds per game 3.5. Assists per game 5.8. Country USA. Age 26 year. Height 6.2 inch. Weight 190 pounds. Guys, have you any suggest? Please tell me in comment. Hash 14. Position guard Jacob Wilter. Draft 2024. Round 1 pick 19. Experience 1 year as a pro. He played 52 games in a regular season. Field ground performance 40.2%. Point per game 8.6. Rebounds per game 3.1. Assists per game 1.6. Country USA. Age 20 years. Height 6'5" inch. Weight 180 pounds. Hash 17. Position guard forward Gerard Temple. Draft 2025. Status undraft. Experience 15 years. He played 28 games in regular season. Field ground performance 30.0%. Point per game 1.9. Rebounds per game 1.0. Assist per game 1.1. Country USA. Age 39 year old. Height 6.5 inch. Weight 195 pounds.